Welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. You can update yourself every day with latest and exceptional design ideas. I shall try to get all relevant issues for your discovery. If you wish to get any particular design idea, you can mention at comment section. In this video, you shall see kitchen cabinet design ideas for your home. No matter how big or extravagant your kitchen area is, an eclectic collection of cabinets is essential for any cooking environment. White and ivory work well with any color combination, while silver blends nicely with a sleeker, more modern look. And if you are looking for a cozier, aesthetic, timeless colors such as almond, beige and cream help lift the mood of the room and give it that hint of southern comfort that makes any kitchen feel warm and welcoming. Traditional 24 by 36 inch cabinets already come in most homes, but you can trade them out for larger 48 inch cabinets at any given time. You can also include smaller sized cabinets if you want to utilize that extra space between your refrigerator, oven or microwave. And if you really want to show off, you can invest in open-faced shelves that can display your fine china or favorite wine bottles in front of guests while they wait for dinner. Additional shelves offer another level or two to put you away your bowls and cups, while chrome rack extensions offer a convenient, easy way to store extra dishes and appliances with a pull-up handle. With a simple installation and long-lasting durability, these add-ons can quite literally help extend your kitchen cabinet's shelf life. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas for your kitchen cabinet design. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.